Welcome. Today you will learn about the importance of lockout tagout in robotic maintenance. This robot system needs maintenance. Your task is to put the machine in maintenance mode so your coworker can safely examine it. To begin, move closer to the machine, press the F4 button highlighted on the HMI screen. Great, now press the highlighted, to maint, button on the HMI screen. Do you see the Give Coworker the Go-Ahead button in front of the robot base? When you feel it is all clear for your coworker to go into the work cell, use this button. Your coworker has entered the work cell. Move to the target on the floor by the table and observe him in the cell. Oh no, a second coworker operated the robot by mistake, which startled your colleague. To prevent such accidents, lockout tagout safety procedure is commonly used in industry. As before, LOTO ensure that no one accidentally works on a machine while others are in the vicinity. Let's start again. This time we will use the LOTO safety procedure. Great, now press the highlighted, to maint, button on the HMI screen. Excellent, now use the highlighted lever on the machine to turn off the power at the station. Great, now grab a lock from the table and place it on the lever. This will ensure that the lever cannot be used. Now that you have fully completed the lockout and tagout procedures, it is safe for your coworker to enter the work cell. Use the OK for coworker in front of the robot. Good job. You can repeat this task, learn more about the field of robotics, or try another experience.